Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to get a Piso Fare in Cebu Pacific, the cheapest flight deals in the Philippines. So if you know the right timing and strategy. So first, you need to understand this Piso Fare does not mean the total ticket is 1 peso. It only refers to the base fare, and you still pay taxes, fees, and add-ons. So Piso fares usually during the set sales or promos, and not every day. And then those usually happen during anniversary sales, holiday promos, and surprise flash sales. So you can follow the official announcements. You can go to their Cebu Pacific website and follow their Facebook page, mobile app notifications, and then email promos. Okay. Next one is the book fast and early. So when the promo starts, go immediately to the booking. So piece of fares disappear in minutes because thousands of people are booking at the same time. So prepare your destination and travel dates before the sale starts, and be flexible with dates and destination. If your chosen date is sold out, then try different travel dates, alternate alternative airports and nearby destinations. So weekday is cheaper and flexibility is equal to higher chance of success. So you can prepare your payment in advance, have your payment ready like GCash, credit or debit card, or online banking. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.